Turkey Tourism conducts a destination workshop across 6 Indian cities.
There are more than 25 representatives of Turkish tourism industry now they're in India for making connections with their Indian counterparts. In addition to Delhi, we will be in Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Bangalore, Chennai and Mumbai.
IndiGo to start daily non-stop flights to Male and Phuket from November 2018.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
Hailing from a Tier 3 city, Muzzafar, Gajesh Girdhar discusses his success story.
I am in the trade now for last 18 years and I was never into this trade. I jumped into this trade and I found it very, interesting, and I had a passion to be in the travel trade. So I come from a Tier 3 city, Muzzafar, and I was the first one to start this travel agency there in Muzzafar. I was an industrialist earlier and I wanted to be in the service industry. I wanted to jump into the service industry, and I found travel to be the most suitable, the business for me. First year I sent about 150 people abroad, and now the figure has crossed more than 1,000, which is a small figure for the trade. But as Muzzaffarnagar as an area is concerned, it's a big figure. The MICE is a very interesting segment, and I will say that people should come forward and take part in MICE groups and should promote MICE destinations.